Hello everyone. I hope you all having a good time. So we're gonna make an app from scratch. It's gonna be similar to the calculator app on iOS platform, and the difference between the calculator app from Apple and our app would be that it will maintain a history of all the calculations that we do. So in the default app, we don't have such functionality. There's no history for of the calculations that we are doing. For instance, if we add two numbers and then press the C button, what button is it? It's AC button. Then the previous calculation is gone. So I'll guide you through the process of starting from scratch how you can make a finished product. And some portions of my tutorials will be easy for you to understand, some will be a little difficult for you to grab on, but just follow along and I hope you'll learn something out of it. So we're going to make a calculator app, and so if the calculator is in the portrait mode, it has less features, and if it's in the landscape mode, it has more features. So we'll start with the basic features that are shown in the portrait mode, and later on we can move on to the scientific features of the calculator. And you can use the layout that we design in your apps that are not calculator specific. You can use this calculator app to make a different sort of calculator for instance, for calculating molarity for chemistry, or specific volumes, or any other physical calculations that people make on regular basis. You can get sell your app to those markets. So it will be basic calculations. You'll learn how to make a UI similar, not exactly like the calculator app, but similar to that UI, and we'll work on user experience as well. So this will not interact with the internet, so that is not included in that. So basically you'll learn user interface, you'll learn model view controller design pattern, and you'll learn how you can do simple calculations and animations using the UI framework, UIKit, and the constraints, and we'll make all the entire app programmatically, so there will be no storyboards involved. So no story. So the reason for no storyboards is mainly because my computer is not so fast and it's quite slow, and the storyboards takes quite some time to load, and I'm more I prefer programming than storyboards, because programming is like real programming, hardcore programming, and storyboards is more like designing. Uh, so I think that is it for the introduction. So let's get right to making this app work.